Hey, Dewey McDonald from Guarantee RV. We're going to go through 36 front living Heritage Glen here in a minute and go through all the features with you. So if you're interested in one of these, give me a call. Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV. So this is kind of a cool, unique floor plan with the front living. So you've got under the front part, you've got your storage, your tanks, your system, sewer systems and everything right there, connections. It's got the auto leveling. You got front storage in the front for chairs or whatnot. But in the back, on the back half of this, you actually walk up into the bedroom in this model. And so underneath there, you've got bay storage all the way through two sides. And in the middle, bigger compartment, you've got a refrigerator, you've got a slide out sink and stove. It's kind of cool. So it's kind of like a motorhome set up that way. So it's pretty sweet. And then on electric awning on the outside, power hookups, everything's right there. Then if you go inside, you got a nice big step going inside that folds out. The new step everybody likes, adjustable. Then you walk inside, you walk in right to the door, and you see the double door refrigerator with the glass oven door with the 3-burner cooktop. This is the newer BTUs. This actually unit has 2 air conditioners. In the bedroom has an air conditioner in the front. Living part has the air conditioner. You got big screen TV with Fireplace, surround sound CD player. So you've got recliner sitting across straight ahead from the TV, and then you've got a couple hide-a-beds on the sides, and then you walk up the steps there, and then you got little pantries. You got lots of closet space, ceiling fans. It's all LED lightings. You got a nice kitchen area with a kind of big counter space. It actually has some chairs here to sit in. So in the back, you said you walk up into the bedroom. So in the bedroom, you've got a nice little TV across from your bed. You've got your cabinets there, little dresser, walk around bed. And in the back, this got a cool bathroom. You got your washer and dryer hookups are in the bathroom back here in the back. And then you got the big shower. So lots of room. Like I said, you got the rear AC too. It's got the half bath here off of the kitchen. So kind of a cool floor plan, big unit. Yeah, after showing you this 36 front living Heritage Glen. So if you're interested in truck campers, toy haulers, any RV we sell, fifth wheels, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.